The first and foremost thing is, what is the culture of your organization? Besides your products and services, what do you want your organization to be known for? And the second part is empowering your people, because a lot of times in smaller businesses, the problem is trust. Do you trust your people enough, or are you micromanaging? Which is a very common occurrence. So, if you're micromanaging, people are not empowered to take decisions, and people will not take ownership of what they're doing. It is very important you bring in that culture. So all this is linked to the culture element. Okay, so that answers the first part of your question as to what is it that businesses are lacking. um, the trainings that they require are, firstly, a lot of organizations, or the smaller companies, or business owners think they need to train the people under them. Are you ready? Are you trained enough to start doing what is required? That is a very important element. So, first, start with yourself, because the culture is cascaded downwards. It is never down to up. It's always cascading from up to down. So, what are you standing up for? What are your ethics? What are your values? Where does your integrity stand? Those are the components which are very important. Then you start. That's the first part of your training. Then the second part is hiring the right people. That is again something you need to train on. Smaller businesses, the pockets are not very deep, understandable. So you end up hiring people who are lesser experienced. Okay. Because obviously, the more experienced people become more expensive resources also. So you trying to cut corners by hiring people who are lesser in their experience, and in the bargain not contributing enough? It becomes a vicious cycle. If you look at it, you hire somebody who doesn't have the experience, and that person is trying to learn on the job. You are micromanaging, you are not empowering them, they are not taking any accountability of what they're doing. You come back to hiring all over again. It is just this cycle which continues. So the second element is, train yourself on hiring the right people. Thirdly, when you get the people in your organization, very important to train them on what is the culture of your organization, what is the ask of the job, and tell them how are they empowered, what are the tools that they have, what is the support they have to perform their job. If all that gets done, if it is sorted, this will cover all the behavioral aspects, your interpersonal skills, your networking skills. How do you make the sales pitch? How do you not come across as being pushy? There are so many elements. All that gets covered in that, and you are set for success.